Capsule Pharmacy Honest Review. Watch before using. Capsule Pharmacy is an online pharmacy that provides free same-day delivery of prescription medications. It aims to simplify the pharmacy experience with its user-friendly app and personalized customer service. Here are the key features about this platform: free day delivery in selected cities, online prescription management through an app or website, consultation with licensed pharmacists, work with most insurance plan. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros: no need for in-person pharmacist visit, medication are delivered to your door, and also manage, refill and track prescription through the app, access to pharmacist for consultation and questions. Many users praise its reliability and user-friendly experience. And here the downside about this platform, which is limited availability, employee complaints and insurance limitation. And here's the final verdict about this platform: Capsule Pharmacy is a convenient option for those in its service area seeking quick, health-free prescription deliveries. However, if you are outside their coverage or have specific insurance needs, it may not be the best choice. Check availability and insurance capability before using the service.